I don't understand why you would think that it would be fine to take her to a club.
Well, maybe if she wasn't flirting with me.
Okay, my grandmother is 94 years old. She can barely remember who I am. You think she's gonna be flirting with you? Alright,
She has Alzheimer's. She's not gonna remember
It doesn't matter. Why would you take her to the club? I don't understand why you would think that an old woman would like to go fist pump at some club somewhere. That is an older woman. My grandmother is not good in those environments. I don't understand why you would think that that is okay. All right? You know what? No. Honestly, I'm going. I can't.
Uncomfortable. That's why I've been carrying all this holiday weight.
Well, I've been thinking about taking steroids. I'm trying to get Brocky, trying to get big, you know, trying to build some muscle and stuff, you know?
Nah, man, don't be taking no steroids, man. You know, Laura, you know what that does to your...
Hey guys.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Bye guys.
See ya. Bye.
Yo, your sister's been looking hot, man.
Yeah. Wait, that's your sister?
Yeah.
Uncomfortable.
I mean, he like really loves sports. He loves sports and he does the cutest thing ever. Oh my god, please, just do the thing. Come on, do it. It's so cute. Please do it.
Show it.
Please. For me.
Here comes the airplane. Oh.